For my meal kit delivery, I chose the vegetarian box, and the meals that I received were the salsa verde enchiladas, harissa sweet potato pockets, and the Mediterranean baked veggies, which you guys are gonna watch me make right now. I've tried a lot of meal kit services in my day, and so I thought I knew exactly what to expect when these showed up to my door, but holy guacamole, I am not lying to you guys when I say that these meals were so much better than meal kit delivery services I have tried in the past. Even before cooking or trying anything, the ingredients were all just so fresh. I also love that they suggest using the bag as your scrap bag as you cook, so I did that. I am someone who really does not like going to the grocery store, especially in a big city. It always feels like such a big to-do and such a waste of time. So meal kits have always been something that I've been really interested in. However, you guys also know I'm big on sustainability, and in the past with other meal kits, I felt overwhelmed with hard plastic packaging and ice packs that we couldn't recycle. But amazingly, the packaging HelloFresh uses to ship your food is almost entirely made from recyclable and or already recycled content. HelloFresh's carbon footprint is 25% lower than that of meals made from store-bought groceries, according to a comparative impact study from the University of Michigan, which is bananas. I just think HelloFresh has really done this meal kit delivery thing right. You can add extra meals really easily, you can change your delivery days, your food preferences, you can skip a week whenever you want, and coming from someone who has tried almost every meal kit delivery service out there, HelloFresh is truly top-notch, by far my favorite, and even Will, who doesn't normally eat vegetarian meals, loved everything we made.